Hi guys, so today we are going to see how you can create your WordPress automatic backups in few simple steps. So the first thing is to get your Updraftplus premium plugin. So all you need to do is visit gine.us/updraft. The link is given in the description, and if you are watching this on the blog post, there is a big button where you can click and get that plugin. So once you have bought and downloaded that plugin, you need to go to your WP admin, go to plugins and install this plugin. Once you have installed and activate the plugin, you need to put your license code and activate the plugin. After that, you need to go to the plugins settings and configure your Updraft settings. So we are going to use Google Drive in this example, and we are going to create an automatic backup every day. And this backup will be an incremental backup, which means we will create our one backup of our entire website, and then we will add the changes that where the files will be modified. So we don't need to create multiple backups. This will save also the data and also the space on your web hosting or on your cloud storage. And for the database, we are going to choose the option of creating several backups every day, and we are going to store a minimum of 15 backups. I'm going to choose Google Drive. Once I have done that, I will scroll down below, and here is the folder where all the backups will be stored. So by default, it is known as Updraftplus. You can change it to something else, but for this tutorial, we will keep it as it is. Next, we will come down, scroll below, and here is the important part under the advanced section where it says split the files. Now, splitting the files means if you make smaller files, it would be easier for your web hosting and also the plugin to create smaller files and store it on your cloud storage. You can also create bigger files if you want, but I always recommend you to choose smaller files as they are easy to create for the plugin and also easy to upload. So in this case, we are going to choose 200 MB as the default size, and then we will save the changes. Once you clicked on the save changes, you will find this pop-up comes where it will ask you to authenticate your Google Drive. So click on this link and you will be followed onto a new window where you need to choose your Google account and where the Google Drive will be stored all the data. So once I click on it, I need to authorize using my Google account, and I have done here, and you can see it says in an orange page that click this button to redirect back to your website. Click on that, and now you are back onto your website. So our settings part is pretty much done. Now we need to create our first backup. So click on this backup button and give it a name. So I will give it a name like initial first backup, and I will also choose this fourth option, and then I will click on create backup. Now you can see the details and the progress bar has been shown here. So this is how you can create your automatic WordPress backup really easily in few simple steps. And the backups are automatically created if your database has added something new or your files are changed. Suppose if I write a new blog post, now we have added a few images. Also, our database has a new post now, and some of the files were modified. So in this case, the modified files, the images, and the database will now be automatically backed up each day depending on the settings that you choose. So this is the entire process, how you can create an automatic backup using Updraftplus. So since we are using the premium plugin, we got a lot more features than the free plugin. So I highly recommend you for your WordPress website security, don't go for the free one. Always choose something that you can rely on. So that's why we recommend you to get the premium version. The free version is a really great plugin. We are not saying anything about that, but the reason we are asking you to go for the premium version is because you don't want all your hard work data to be deleted by some accidental or by some hackers. So that's why we always recommend you to get, at least for your security, to get a premium plugin in there. So this is how you can create your own automatic backups in your WordPress with just one time setting. And if you have got any other questions or queries, you can comment down in the comment section below. Or if you are watching this on our website, then you can comment on the blog page and I will reply you on there. If you have got any direct queries, you can follow me on Instagram or on Twitter and just DM me there. And for the next video, you can watch how you can use the Updraftplus to restore your entire website to any time of the backups that you have created. So if you want to watch this video, you can click on this I button somewhere here, or you can also click on the link that will after this video, it will be shown. So that's it guys for this video. I am Niraj Kashyap from BloggerSprout, and thanks for watching this video, and I will meet you guys on my next video. Peace.